Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Instagram and go directly to your profile. You should already be logged in and have 2FA ready if required. Once done, tap the menu icon, identical to, and choose Settings and Privacy. That gets you to the control area. Make sure your connection is stable so changes sync. This step targets the app's stored search suggestions and local cache, not other linked accounts. Do this now to avoid navigation delays and prepare for the core clearing actions. Within Settings and Privacy, open your activity and then Recent Searches. This is where Instagram stores what you've typed. Tap Clear All, then confirm the prompt to erase the phone's list of recent queries. This removes both typed entries and suggestion tokens. If you prefer selective removal, tap the X beside individual items instead. That preserves other history. Make sure to wait a moment after confirming so the app syncs changes. Otherwise, suggestions may reappear until sync completes. After clearing, close Instagram completely and reopen it to confirm changes. This forces the app to refresh suggestion data. If you still see old searches, log out and log back in and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If suggestions persist, clear the app cache or reinstall. That removes residual local data. One key troubleshooting tip: if history reappears, check other logged-in devices and linked accounts, because cross-device sync can reintroduce previous searches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.